this is the not Sonoma. Damn it, fuck that up. Where are we at again? Oh. So this is Thunderhill Autocross. Wanted to try something different. It's definitely a different crowd. Than SpeedSF. A lot more serious set of cars. And their skid pads way bigger, a lot nicer. Less walls. If you remember the last video, it was nothing but walls. This one's all open. It's kind of nice. Also looks a lot more serious. Everyone seems a little more competitive, even just looking at their setups. All right, so here's the course of Thunderhill. We'll do the walkthrough. It's a lot bigger.
There's nothing to hit. There's nothing to hit.
There's nothing to hit. You'll be fine. After you spin out once, it's all good. Well, you might not spin out.
I don't think I'll spin out. Oh, you get the sound on?
Yeah. I'll edit it. It's all good. If you guys say anything that I can't put on my YouTube, I'm not gonna put it. So I can't put that. Come on. That's something that's offensive. So the walkthrough is done. I have put it into my memory. It's locked in. We're all good. How many cones, Thorntona?
At least 10.
Man,
at least.
It's like a second per cone.
Yeah, at least. Let's see if I make it through the whole track.
You just stop halfway. You know what?
Yeah, I give up.
I really feel bad because I'm knocking down all the cones. Everyone's just working. So I just want to give you guys one more rundown. Take a look at this is how they do it in SCCA Thunderhill. And this guy's here too.
Welcome.
Station 4, and that's why he's in with the DNF. But he's in with an 88.773, but it is a DNF.
Thank you.
All right. But that is Oakley. 475 plus 2 for Julie's Backus. 96 475 plus 2.
I didn't know whether to run or stay.
Thank you.
See another S2000 out here.
Whew. Getting there. I forgot to turn off the traction control.
Oh, I used to do that all the time.
Oh my, I was like, man.
Tire push. Front tire just.
What'd you get?
Not too bad, bro.
Well, that one was all smoke. So much for that one. How many we got left? One more, huh?
88. What'd you get?
92 with that one.